Attention all artificial intelligence professionals. Canada is rolling out the red carpet for you. On June 4th, the federal government announced a massive new expedited work permit stream designed specifically for AI workers under its AI for All strategy. This proposed stream could process your work permit application from start to finish in only 20 days or less. It will operate through the existing global talent stream, aiming for 10-day processing for labor market impact assessments and another 10-day processing for the work permit application itself. Canada is aggressively targeting the creation of 250,000 new AI-related jobs over the next 5 years to boost its economic growth. Even better, the government stated that this stream will be accompanied by measures to help you seamlessly transition to Canadian permanent residence. While the exact eligibility criteria and launch dates are still unannounced, this is the time to get your professional profile ready. Contact us today to start planning your immigration strategy and follow our page so you don't miss the official launch details.